Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up and use the two most popular reference managers, Endnote and Mendeley. Before we click anything, there is a crucial rule you have to follow. Close Microsoft Word if it's already opened on your computer. If the Microsoft Word is opened during the installation, the Endnote plugin might not install correctly. First, we will install the Endnote. Here you have to copy the product key and insert it here. After that, next. Your organization name is optional, you can skip it. It takes a minute, so you have to wait till the installation is finished. And now if you open the Microsoft Word and open any document, you can see that there is a plugin added in here on the menu bar. For example, we can add a citation for this paragraph. Go to Endnote in here. We create a new library, file new. You can choose the location that for your library to save. For example, I can save it on desktop. You can close it and we can go to Google Scholar and search for any papers. You can see that there is a lot of resources. For example, we search for papers that published in 2026. The first one, we can click on the site. We can download the citation as a EndNote file. You can see that the citation is added to the EndNote. Now we can add another one. For example, this one, cite and EndNote. We can click it again. There is two references that have been added to the EndNote. We can add another one. For example, this one. We can cite. Click it again. Now we have three references. In here, you can create your own group. For example, I have some researches, so I can create a new group. For example, research 1, and also another group, research 2. So you can add the first one and the second one and drag it to the research 1 group. You can see that both references are added to the group 1. And the third one, we can drag it to the research 2. We can close it in here and go back to the Microsoft Word. We can cite this paragraph, for example. Go to anywhere you want to cite the text. Go to EndNote. For example, we're working on the research one, so we can go to the research one group, and for example, we can cite this reference. Click it and go to this button, insert citation. The citation is already added to the text. If you go to the below of the document, you can see that the reference is already added below. You can add another reference in here. Go to EndNote, and the second one, for example, and also for the third one, you can also cite it. go to research to site. Now you have 3 references in here. You can also change the style of the references of the citation. For example, we have chosen by default numbered. You can also select other styles, for example, APA. The style of the citation is changed. Also, you can use, for example, Vancouver. The style of the reference is also changed to the Vancouver. It depends on the journal that you have submitted your article. Sometimes they're requiring you to use a specific citation. So anytime you can simply switch between the styles of the citations. Also, we can edit the citation and go to the edit and manage citations. For example, the first citation, we can change any components of the reference. So you can change the name of the authors. You can change the year, the title, the volume, the issues, pages, anything. For example, we can change this year 2020. Control S. Okay. If you see that the citation is year is 2026, if you update it, the citation is changing to 2020 in here. Now let's switch gears to Mendeley. Unlike Endnote, Mendeley is completely free. Go to mendeley.com, and here we can download it for Windows. If you go to the below of the home page, we can download Mendeley for your desktop and Mendeley for Microsoft Word as a plugin and Mendeley for your browser. And also you have to create an Elsevier account. Without creating an account, we cannot use the Mendeley as a reference manager. To create an account, simply go to sign in. Here, type your email and create a free account on Elsevier website. I'm going to type my account, continue. Here we have to use our given name. And also we can create a password. And continue. I already installed the Mendeley software. The installation is very simple, just a few clicks needed. Go to Mendeley. Here we can use the account. The next step we have to do, we have to add Mendeley plugin to Microsoft Word. And the third step, you have to download the Mendeley extension. Here we can see that the Mendeley is added for our Chrome. Now, if you open the Microsoft Office and open any document, we can see that there is in the Preferences tab, there is a Mendeley feature is added in here. Now we go back to the Mendeley, where we can insert any bibliography with the software. Now, if you have any folder on our computer that contains a list of articles with a PDF file, we can import it here. We can go to the Add Preferences, set up Watch it folder, choose folder to watch. We can browse any folders that contains any researches. For example, research 5 contains 5 PDFs. Now you can see that there is 5 articles added to the application. If you go back to the Microsoft Office and go to Mendeley site, now we can cite any texts we want to cite. For example, we can cite this text in here and go to the citation you want to cite. For example, this one. We can insert it here. And also we can see that the bibliography is not inserted here. For insertion, go to this 3 dots and insert bibliography, keep live updates, continue. We can see that the bibliography is also added below. We can change the citation settings in here, change citation style, any style you want. For example, we want to change it to this citation. We can see that the citations changed. And also, if we can cite another one, we can go to references. For example, this one, insert citation. Automatically, the references added below. Thank you.